In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create perfect wireframe renders. I have previously shown you the alternate methods to create wireframe renders, but in my opinion, this one is the perfect method. This is so far the fastest and the easiest way to produce a high-quality wireframe render images, and I'll show you how it gets done. The idea is to show a controlled amount of wireframes on both solid and final render images like this. Previously, I've shown you how to render a wireframe scene and use an image editing software like Photoshop to fuse them together. Another method was to duplicate the mesh, use the wireframe modifier, control its thickness, and render the image. For the new method, click this Viewport Overlays drop-down button and check the wireframe setting. We can control the amount of wireframes on the surface like this. This works not only on the solid meshes, but on the fully textured meshes as well. We can render and save the image like this, and open it in Photoshop. Do you see these X and Y grid lines and the mesh origin indicator? We can control what to show and what to hide from the Viewport Overlays menu. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.